Hi everybody, welcome to this new video in the IECHost series. Today we will have a look at an upcoming feature in version 3.3 of the IECHost GUI client, which is about showing sector contents, and this will be available after dumping a disk or even after loading a disk. So for this video I'll be dumping a disk, and because I already know that with this disk the two outer tracks are inaccessible, I will set the outermost track value to 3. Because I'm not interested in retrying sector with errors, I'll set max errors to 0, pre-initialize the disk, and everything else is pretty much standard. So let's dump the disk I've got into drive at the moment. We've seen this before when the disk appears to be using more than 35 tracks, which means it has got data after the disk ID in the BAM sector. Users get a notice like this, suggesting that they might want to try and dump the disk with the 40 track version of the program. Let's close this one, save, and yeah, replace. Now before we get to the new feature, I'd like to underline that the block allocation map is not always keeping track of all the allocated sectors. So this means that its content shouldn't always be trusted. In this case, it appears that all the sectors with the little circle are in use, but there is something subtle here. Let's have a look. The directory listing that has been generated by decoding the directory track shows more than 8 files, and so it's not possible that there is only one directory sector allocated here. By the way, I've finished the integration of the scroll bar with the listing as well, so that's good news there. So let's have a look, and this is where the new feature comes in handy to try and reconcile these sort of things. If I click on the first directory sector, which is always on a standard DOS disk 18.1, what I get is the link to the next sector in the chain, which is track 18 sector 4. And as you can see, additional directory entries are in here, and the link in the chain is suggesting that there is yet another sector after this one used as part of the directory sector chain. And this is the last one. Last directory entry is Tetris 2. Yeah, Tetris 2. So again, this is one of the features that is coming in version 3.3, and along with this view of sector contents, there will be a few extra controls here that will allow users to navigate to the next sector in the link. So it's based on the first 2 bytes in the sector contents. In this case, you would jump to track 18 sector 4. Then there will also be controls to just get to the next sector. In this case would be 18.5, or previous one 18.3. And that's coming in version 3.3 of the IECHost GUI client. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.